How to translate PDF document for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to translate your PDF document for free. Let me just quickly show you guys this PDF document right here. I've got this short paragraph in English. Now let's say if I want to translate it in another language, what you can basically do is go over to your web browser, click on this app icon right over here, and you can open up your Google Drive. So go ahead and open up Drive. From here, what you're going to have to do is upload your file to your Drive. So I'll just right click on it, click on File Upload, and I'll just basically upload the file here. So it's on my desktop. Just do this one right here, this PDF. Once the file has been uploaded, just open it up and you can click on Open with Google Docs. Once you open it up in Google Docs, you'll have an option to translate automatically. For that, go over to Tools at the top, then go ahead and click on Translate Document. Choose a language to translate it to. Let's say if I just scroll down and let's say if I want to change it to Chinese or any other language, you can do that. I'll just do French for now. Click on Translate, and you can easily find the translated file here on the other tab. Now you can easily save it as a PDF or even as a docs depending on your choice. Click on this file, click on download. If you want a PDF document, just click on PDF. Now you have a PDF ready that has been translated. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.